March 24 to 28, all roads lead to the National Stadium. Come rep your school. So with Champs around the corner, we had to test out the vibe.
So Champs is only a few weeks away, and we're here in the streets of downtown Kingston to ask them who they'll be bringing for Champs 2026.
The line, Daly gets it, head of Dockery. Kingston College, Brian Kiprop makes it back-to-back gold medals.
The question is, how excited are you for Champs, and who do you think is going to win?
Well, I'm not so excited, but me have my nephew them, and you don't know me, I cheer for them. Big up Forches for life, and that me say, that I go win, Champs. Yeah, me don't know about the girl them, but for the guys, yeah man, Forches.
Brilliant performance here.
Will you be going to Champs this year, and what school are you bringing?
KC, of course.
Why?
Because them always I win every year.
So you carry them this year?
Of course.
1 KC on the arm, right through.
I think KC are going to win Champs, and the reason for that is because they have some bad piece around them. I'm not telling that.
Tiana Marshall of Woodburn.
Alright, so who do you think will win Champs this year, and why?
JC or KC, because them just tough. Them always win.
For girls, I say Idol. For boys, I say KC. KC.
Say KC as well.
I love Calabar. Calabar, the real thing.
So who do you think will win Girls Champs this year?
Alpha. Because, I believe in them and I think they can win.
So who do you think will win Boys Champs this year?
KC.
And for the girls?
Wilmas.
Don't know, say I want JC I win Champs in it.
I feel like Edwin Allen come. I'm going to tell me Edwin Allen.
Alright, so who do you think will win Champs this year?
Calabar, boys.
And for girls?
Edwin Allen.
For girls, you know, it's the one and only Imak will be taking it this year.
Thank you. And for boys?
Can't comment on that.
Forces, guys!
We, KC will win Champs, of course, because we possess what it takes. 140s.